Welcome to NBK Tech World. In this lesson, we're going to make a connection between the string type and the array type in JavaScript. We are going to learn how to take a string of characters and split it into an array of substrings. We're going to learn the split method. So to get started, let's do an example. Say we have a string that holds a sentence. The following sentence: there is a cat on the table, period. So this is a string. Let's store this string in a variable. I am going to use the let keyword just in case I need to change this variable later on. So the variable is going to be called sentence and hold this string. Okay, so let's just make sure the sentence string is there. Now, let's say I want to capture each of these words separately in a list, an array. The way we have it right now, it's inside the string. The whole string contains the sentence. It's one single entity. But what if you want to grab each of those words separately? So what we're going to use is the split method. So we're going to say the following. Take the variable name dot split. Now split is a method, in this case, of a string. Okay, type. So the split expects, in this case, an argument that's going to be the separator. You have to tell it how you want to split this string. In this case, what's the separator here? What separates each word from the other? In this case, it's the white space, right? So the white space is the separator. So we're going to write the white space as a string. This is the white space. Okay, there's nothing, but there is something. It's the white space with the space bar, and that's our separator. Now see what is going to happen. So it takes the string with the separator. It's going to split the sentence into multiple strings in a list, in an array. Each element of this array is going to be the word in the sentence. There is a cat on the table. Notice the period is included because the separator is the space, and it does not care if it's a word or not. It includes everything that's in between the space and the other space, in this case the end of the sentence, so it doesn't have anything else to capture. So there you go. This is the split, and this creates an array of 7 elements. Okay, and notice it's not necessarily by word because the period, the dot, is there. Okay, now there are other ways you could split this sentence. You could split any character you want. So for example, sentence dot split. Let's split this into using the character A. So you're telling it to, whenever you see an A, you're gonna take that and break the string right at the point where the A is, and it does not include the separator character, right? So let's see what we get. So it captures everything. There is space, and then it finds the A. The A is the separator, so it takes, breaks right here, removes the separator character, and goes to the next element. Keeps going, space, cat, and then it hits the A again, right? And the A is the separator, is removed. You get a break right there, then it makes a new element and it keeps going. T on the T A. Got the A right here. Let's make a barrier here, make a wall, and split into different substrings. And finally bold with the period. Okay? So that's the split method of a string. The argument is a separator. Now